Why does our pricing model perfectly suit the cleaning industry? Hey, Marty here, founder and CEO of freshOps, where we help streamline your service delivery within your cleaning business. If you want a workforce management tool that has pricing that scales perfectly with your cleaning business's growth and never gets unaffordable as your business does grow, then look no further. Today I wanted to explain to you how our freshOps pricing works and why it's the most cost-effective, affordable and scaling pricing you'll find on the market. So let's firstly look at some existing pricing models. Well, most software as a service tools are based on either per employee or user pricing or per client kind of / site pricing. But what's the problem with these pricing models? Well, let us start with user-based pricing. Let's say you have 20 part-time employees or contractors and you have to make some operational changes which require you to hire a few more casual employees or contractors. Your workforce now increases to 15 part-time and 10 casuals. In a per-using pricing model, it now costs you another 5 users. However, you haven't increased your income or turnover. It just means you need more people to deliver the same work. The same can be said for clients or site-based pricing. You lose a contract or client and replace it with 2 more smaller contracts or clients and your income has changed, but now you're paying for 2 clients or sites. Our pricing is different. We know the only time you're making money is when a cleaner is walking in the door to perform some cleaning at a site. So our pricing model is activity-based. It ties in the activity of performing the cleaning. Every time a cleaner checks into a site to perform some work is considered a shift, and that's where our included shift counts are derived from. Each plan has like an included amount of shifts for each month, but also unlike other tools that may instantly upgrade you once you go over your limit, we understand that some months have 4 weeks while others have 5, so you may go over now and again. But that's okay with us. We'll only upgrade you if you consistently go over your plan's included shifts over a 3-month period. We wanted to make sure that pricing wasn't a barrier for you to take the steps to systemize your service delivery. So we developed pricing that would assist you the best. So sign up today for a 30-day free trial and one of our team will be in contact to give you all the support you need to ensure you succeed in systemizing your service delivery today.